Gracias por los corazones. Muy bien. Perfect. So we are going to start, okay? And we are going to practice presente de subjuntivo, okay? We're only going to focus on present, okay? So it should be easy. It should be fun, okay? You know that I love to teach and I love to teach you and to spend just a little time with you every single day, okay? That's why we are doing this daily challenge. And yeah. So, ¿estamos listos? ¿Empezamos? Yes, are we ready? Shall we start? Yay! Thank you for the hearts. They make me so happy. Muy bien. Empezamos. Perfecto. Okay, I'm going to look for them here. Okay, subjuntivo. Bien, ready. Muy bien. Okay, so subjuntivo, okay, we use it to express, remember I will say the same thing, desires, doubts, the unknown, the abstract, okay, and emotions, okay? So, how can we use present of subjuntivo? So the main thing about it is you are going to see que, okay, there, a que, and that's going to give you the clue that you need subjunctive, okay? So we have the main clause, okay, then we have que, and a different subject, okay? So, for example, quiero que estés aquí. I want you to be here. Or, necesito que te vayas. I need you to go. If you see, I have quiero que tú estés. So, yo quiero que tú, okay? I want you to do something, okay? So, here we use subjuntivo, okay? Yes, thank you for the hearts. Okay, so remember, verbs like creo que, opino que, pienso que, okay, these ones, if they go in affirmative, they use indicativo, but in negative, they use subjuntivo. Okay, so, no creo que mamá esté enfadada, okay, esté. We are seeing esté, okay? And esté is subjuntivo. I don't think mom is angry, okay? Yay, thank you for the heart. So we are practicing and we are going over present of subjuntivo. Muy bien. Okay, so we have seen that. Okay, so how do we form el presente de subjuntivo? So we change the ending to E for verbs ending in AR. For example, hablar. Yo hable, tú hables, él o ella hable, nosotros hablemos, vosotros habléis, ellos hablen, okay? And A for verbs that end in ER, IR. So, yo coma, for example, verb comer, to eat, yo coma, tú comas, él coma, nosotros comamos, vosotros comáis, ellos coman, okay? Yes? Okay, so that's it. Are we ready to practice? Let's do this. Vamos! Okay, thank you for the hearts. Okay, so, mi madre dice que confiar en nosotros. So, what would you say here? Write down your answers below, okay? I will correct you, and don't worry if we make a mistake because making mistakes is the best way of learning. Okay, so mi madre dice que confíe en nosotros. Muy bien. Mi madre espera que nos portar bien. Okay, mi madre espera que nos... And the verb is portar, okay? So, mi madre espera que nos, it's plural, portemos. Muy bien, because it's plural, okay? We, nosotros nos portemos bien. Perfecto. Okay, and this one is to trick you a little. So remember the verb creer and opinar, those verbs. So, creo que ella, what would you say? What did you think? Creo que ella? What would you say? Creo que ella mentir, and the verb is mentir. What would you say here? Indicativo or subjuntivo? It's affirmative, yes. Creo que ella, no, creo que ella miente. ¿Por qué? Because it's the verb opinion in affirmative, okay? So we have to say, that's it. Creo que ella miente. Muy bien. Perfect. Next one. No creo que ella. No creo que ella. Here is the same verb, remember. Remember. Verbs of opinion. Let's go back just a second. And where is it? Here. Creo que, opino que, pienso que. If negative, we use subjunctive, but if it's affirmative, we use indicativo. Okay, so let's go back to our practice. So, creo que ella miente, but, pero no creo que ella. What do you think? Do you think no creo que ella miente o no creo que ella mienta? What do you think? No creo que ella. No? Anyone? No creo que ella. Mienta, perfecto. Muy bien, because it's negative. Okay, so when we have this type of verbs in the negative form, we use subjunctive. Muy bien. No creo que ella mienta. Okay, check the last two. Creo que ella miente. I believe she's lying. Creo que ella miente. Okay, indicativo. But if I make it negative, no creo que ella mienta. Okay? Yay, muy bien. Muy bien. Okay, so, next one. Dudo que venir a casa. And here you can choose whatever subject you want, okay? Thank you for the thoughts. So, dudo que, for example, if you want, we can say él. Dudo que él venir a casa. What do you think? ¿Dudo que él quiere venir a casa o dudo de él quiera venir a casa? We can do this. We know how to say this. Dudo que quiera venir a casa. Muy bien. Perfecto. Muy bien. Yay. Next one. Nos piden que puntuales. Okay? Nos piden que they ask us to be punctual. Puntual, on time. So, nos piden que puntuales. Muy bien. I'm checking all your answers. You're answering the first one. They're perfect. Quiera. Muy bien. Perfecto. Okay. And this one, nos piden que. Almost. You're missing an E there. Seamos. Okay. Nos piden que seamos puntuales. Muy bien. Perfecto. Sí, seamos. Muy bien. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Espero que mis amigos a la fiesta. Espero que mis amigos a la fiesta. What do you think? I hope my friends come to the party. Muy bien. Espero que mis amigos vengan a la fiesta. Perfect. Muy bien. Espero que mis amigos vengan a la fiesta. Perfecto. Muy bien, everyone. Let's go back to this one. In the first one, mi madre dice que. Here it's a little confusing, and let's try to make it easier. So, mi madre dice que él. For example, en nosotros, if there's a different subject, it would be mi madre dice que él. Let's do two different subjects, okay? If it's the same subject, it has to be indicativo, but it's different, subjuntivo. Exactly. Mi madre me dice que él. If it's different subject, it would be confía. So my mom says, my mom says, she trusts us. Let's do that one. My mom says she trusts us. Mi madre dice que confía en nosotros, okay? Let's do the same subject. It's easier to see it this way. So if we have the same subject with a que, okay, in the middle, the subjunctive form, okay, said, if we go back to the explanation, let's go back just for a little bit. We have the main clause, que, different subject, and then subjunctive. Okay, so quiero que estés aquí. We are using estés subjuntivo because I want you to be here. Okay? So different subject. Okay? To use subjunctive. Okay? Are we good? Are we understanding? For example, necesito que te vayas. I need you to go. Okay? Okay, so if we know that one, mi madre dice que ella is the subject. So if we are maintaining the same subject, mi madre me dice que ella confía en nosotros. It has to be indicativo. But if we change the subject, we would use subjuntivo. Okay? Yay! Perfect. So we have done all the practice. Okay, so remember, we have when we have gone over subjunctive, okay, to express desires, doubts, the unknown, the abstract, and the emotions, okay? We have understood that we have to use it when we have the que clause with different subject, right? We have also learned that with verbs of opinion like creo que, opino que, pienso que, we have to make the sentence negative if we want to use subjunctive, because if it's affirmative, it goes in indicativo, okay? For example, no creo que mamá esté enfadada. It's I don't think mom is angry, okay? It's negative, so it's subjunctive. Okay? And then we have checked just the present form of the subjunctive, okay? Okay, great. So, do you understand it? I hope you do. You know that with subjuntivo, with subjunctive is practice, practice, and practice. So I'll make sure to make more practice for you, okay? And remember that we are following our daily challenge, okay? So if you want to get the slides of everything I explained with the practice, is linked in my bio, okay? Yay! You understand it? Perfect. Muy bien. And yes, if you have any doubts, just send me a DM, okay? And for those of you who have it, I will update it tomorrow. So all this will go up tomorrow, okay? And you just have to refresh your page. Okay, thank you so much for being here. As always, remember that I go live every single day at 9 p.m. European time, okay? And we can spend a little time together practicing Spanish. And today is Friday, so I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Espero que paséis un día estupendo. Muchas gracias por estar aquí y un beso enorme. ¡Mua! Adiós. Adiós a todos. Hasta mañana.